Hi, welcome to Fix Home Network. Today I will show you how to set up Linksys E900 wireless router. In this video, I will show you how to set up Linksys E900 router without installation CD or any Cisco Connect software. Also, we will see what is the default password of this router and how to upgrade the firmware of Linksys E900 wireless router. So let's start with the how to set up Linksys E900 router without installation CD or Cisco Connect software. Now, first of all, connect your internet modem to the internet or WAN port on the Linksys E900 router and connect your main computer to one of the 4 Ethernet ports on this router. On this router, you will see port number 1, 2, 3, 4. You can connect your computer to any one of the 4 Ethernet ports of this router. For this initial configuration of this router, we will need to connect the computer with the Ethernet cable. So we are not going to do it wirelessly, we will do it with the Ethernet cable. Now I have another video, you can visit that video and it will show you how to connect the modem and the computer to the router. Now, once the connections are done, open the internet browser on your computer. It could be Safari, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer. Open any internet browser and in the address bar type in the number 192.168.1.1. Hit enter or go. Now it will ask you for the username and password. The default password of Linksys E900 router is admin. Leave the username blank. If that doesn't work, then try admin in the username and admin in the password. If that also doesn't work, then the password of your router must be changed, or you might have changed while setting up your router. In that case, you will need to reset the router to factory default settings. On the back side of this router, you will see a small reset button. Press and hold it down for 15 seconds. You will see the power light is blinking. Release the button, unplug the power cable and plug it back in. Wait for 30 seconds. This is how we reset this router. And after resetting the router, you can just go back to the internet browser, type in 192.168.1.1. It will ask you for the username and password. Enter the password admin and it will show you the Linksys router page. Now all this step-by-step information is given on my website. You can visit our website fixhomenetwork.com, or there is a link in the description box. You can simply visit that link and you will see all those detailed steps on this Linksys E900 setup. Now once you open the setup page, you will see all the settings of this Linksys router. Now we will discuss about the internet connection settings of 3 types of internet service provider. The first one will be cable internet service provider. The second will be DSL internet service provider with PPPoE username password. And the third one will be internet service provider with the static IP address. So let's start with the cable internet service provider. On the setup page, you will see a sub-tab called MAC address clone. Click on MAC address clone. Enable the MAC address clone. Click on the button clone my PC's MAC and then click on save settings. This will basically clone the MAC address of your computer and it will assign that MAC address to the router. Okay, these are the settings for the internet service provider cable type. Now let's move on to the second internet service provider, that is DSL internet service provider. Change the internet connection type to PPPoE. It will ask you for the username and password. Now this username and password is given by your internet service provider with the DSL connection. You need to enter that username and password here and then click on save settings. That's it for the DSL connection. Now let's move on to static IP address. Now these numbers will also be given by your internet service provider It will be internet IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, DNS1 and DNS2. You need to enter all these settings, then click on Save Settings. So these are the basic internet connection settings of your router. Once you are done with your internet connection settings, your router will connect to the modem. It will talk with the modem. Now your main computer will be able to access internet through the router. So that means your router is talking to the modem now. This is done with the internet connection settings. Now let's move on to wireless network settings. Click on the tab Wireless, change it to Manual. Now network mode, leave it on Mixed. Network name, change the network name. This will be the name of your wireless network. Leave it the other settings as it is. If you want to change, you can change the channel to number 11, and SSID broadcast must be enabled. Click on Save Settings. This will change the settings of your wireless network. Now let's move on to wireless security sub-tab. Change the security mode to WPA2 personal. Type in the password. So this will be the password of your wireless network. You need to remember this password. Click on Save Settings. All right, now we have changed the wireless network name and we have also secured the wireless network. Now if you have any wireless computer, let's go to the wireless computer and try to connect to the wireless network. You will see your wireless network there. It will ask you for the password. Type in the password and get connected. If you have any mobile you want to connect, just go to Wi-Fi and you will see the the wireless network name. When you try to connect, it will ask you the password. Type in the same password and get connected. So that's it for the wireless settings and the internet connection settings. These are all basic settings of your wireless network. Now let's move on to the next section. What is the password of Linksys E900 router? The default password, as I explained earlier, is admin, ADMIN. Leave the username blank. If that doesn't work, then try admin in the username also and admin in the password. So these are the default settings of this router. Now how to change the password of this router? To change the password, you need to log into the Linksys router page at 192.168.1.1. Go to the administration tab. On that page you will see the router access, that is the router password. You can change it to whatever you want. Confirm the password and click Save Settings at the bottom. This will change the password of your wireless router. This is not a wireless password, this is the password of the router. All right, now let's move on to the next section, how to upgrade the firmware of this router. First of all, you need to download the firmware of this router from the Linksys website. The website will be www.linksys.com. You can simply go to this website and download the firmware of this model E900. Save it on your main computer. To upgrade the firmware, you need to connect the computer with the Ethernet cable to the router. Do not upgrade the firmware using wireless computer. All right, now go to the Linksys router page. Just below the administration tab, you will see firmware upgrade sub-tab. Click on firmware upgrade. Browse the file that you have downloaded and click start upgrade. Now it will show you the status of the upgrade. Once done, it will show you the status upgrade successful. And that's it for firmware upgrade. So that's it for Linksys E900 wireless router setup. If you have any question, if you have any queries, leave the comment on this video, or you can visit our website fixhomenetwork.com/blog, or visit the link given in the description box. And if you have any comments, you can put the comments on this web page also. So thanks for watching.